I'm sorry, it looks like this is going to be 3 videos instead. Sorry, but they're only 5 minutes long. Another thing, because you get tired of backpacker meals and all, so I will put together a Celanese salad, and then when I go get hamburgers and stuff like that, where they offer something like this, I will pick up the mayonnaise, as well as for my peanut butter. You know, if I go to a restaurant, and I'll just, you know, whatever, I'll grab some grape jelly and bring those along with my backpacker meals. So, and then the other items, so all of my dinner and my lunch snacks and trail snacks will go into this bag, okay? And that's the way I do it every single time. You know, you'll get used to that at some point when you do it a lot. It makes it a whole lot easier. These items go into this bag. I've been using this bag for years. I put everything in here. These are my eating utensils. You can get whatever you want. You can use aluminum or whatever. Just I like these because they're lightweight. Plastic, they fold small. This has my stove is in here, as well as a very, very small sponge that I just cut up and I put in here as well. My canisters, the fuel canister. You can go, if you don't have more fire than what you need to heat up your food, you can have one canister like this that will last you all week. My brush goes in there. The one thing that you want to do is put your toiletries together. This is a strong Ziploc. It's not a regular Ziploc, but it's a strong Ziploc type bag. This one's got 42 wipes. The wipes you will use for your face, for sponge bath, and everything. And then I have several sandwich bags, Ziploc sandwich bags that I'll put the waste in, as well as I like to have mini pads. And then I have a really small tube of antibacterial soap for hand cleaning. Another thing that's a part of your 10 essentials is not only your headlamp, which I have extra batteries, and I also have a penny in here so that I can open it to put the batteries in. But I keep all of this in here so I know exactly where it is every time. Part of your 10 essentials, though, is going to be your first aid kit. I have Band-Aids. I have 2 small lighters in case my stove doesn't light. Then I have, one doesn't work, then I have a backup in case I need it. I have a knife. I have ibuprofen, Tylenol, little Pepto-Bismol tablets, diarrhea medicine, emergency blanket, and again, like I say, Band-Aids, and I have some alcohol cleans, just in case you get scrapes or things like that. But, so you want to put together a small first aid kit, and don't get something that's going to be heavy. Just put it into a Ziploc bag. Again, watch your weight. That's going to be really important. So, oh, and this is my, everybody has to have a comfort item besides a camera. I wouldn't do more than 3 of these small plastic ones for an entire week. I'd also kind of ration it, so I would do probably half of this for one dinner one night, and the other half another night. Same thing with my wine. And I do have the little GRS little wine glasses that I will bring that. You can unscrew the stem from the main part of the cup. So I will have that with me. But yeah, you gotta watch the weight because this is heavy. This is like your water and your food is going to be your heaviest items. And keep in mind again that they will have to go into a bare canister. So this is give you an idea to start thinking about your food, but you do need to start thinking about those items. Trying the cereal with the powdered milk, see how you like it. You know, buying what you think you might like on this, but maybe just take a little bit, put enough hot water over it that you'll have a few bites of it just to see if you like it, because you don't want to be on the trail and not like it, okay? So call me if you have any questions.